Racing just is started. We have gifted jumpers to show quickness at the start. Moving up now the outside storm. Gobernador comes next. Real Heaven. The next on line is Accurate School. Shallow. The real thing while Federer is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have gifted champ by about 2 lengths. Gobernador in second. Storm running by the rail now is Real Heaven. Accuracy comes next. The real thing Cool Shallow while Federer still racing in less. And as they swing down the back, we have gifted champ maintaining a 3 lengths lead. And in second is Gobernador. Down into his Real Heaven. Accuracy comes next. Storm Federer saving some grounds. The next on line is the real thing while Cool Shallow is still racing in less. Another far turn, we have gifted champ by about 4 lengths. Federer in second. Storm is racing into the next on line is the real thing. Next on line is Gobernador. Accuracy comes next. Real Heaven while Cool Shallow is still running at. There is Bill Rider Force. Real Heaven, AC de Guzman left unseated as they swing for home. We have gifted champ now by about 4 lengths over Federer, the real thing Storm, and finally we have gifted champ. Second is the real thing Federer, Storm, Accuracy.
Oh, di ba? Bahayang karerista.
Kita mo, ito na naman, oh.
Oh, yan.
On ka mo kami.
Sama mo nga kami. Sama mo nga.